Allied Health Sciences, members of the management, directors of Presidency Group of Schools, principals of Presidency Group of Schools, teachers, staff, parents, and students. The theme of the day is Excellencia. Excellence is to do a common thing in an uncommon way. Excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives. Choice, not chance, determines your destiny. As we join hands amidst the crisis, fighting together to defeat the virus, we truly practice excellencia today. It is with a collective effort of people coming from diverse backgrounds and cultures we fight against this pandemic. Today, we witness the excellencia of a newly elected council brimming with youth, willing to take on new responsibilities and lead the student body toward continued excellence. The investiture ceremony invests power, rights, office, and dignity to the newly elected student council, welcoming them as they take on their new roles. Prayer is an expansion of total faith in the present power within and around us. Let us begin the ceremony by invoking the blessings of God. I call upon the choir to lead us in prayer. Kindly clasp your palms together and maintain silence.
I come before you today, and there's just one thing that I wanna say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I can see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a true tongue, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I'll bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, choir. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of the night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. Our principal, Ms. Shaila Saldana, Mangalore Head Project Head, Mr. Arun Devraj, Management Representative, Mr. Javed, COD, Ms. Sarita Shetty, and the house mentors, Ms. Preeta Jepu, Blue House, Ms. Anita Cardoza, Green House, Mr. Melek, Red House, and Ms. Smita, Yellow House, will light the lamp. The light is now passed on by Principal Ma'am to the Blue House mentor, Ms. Preeta Jepu. The lamp is now lighted by the greenhouse mentor, Ms. Anita Cardoza. The Red House mentor, Mr. Melek, and finally, the Yellow House mentor, Miss Mika. May this light create an ambience of energy and positivity in all the four houses. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. May I now request the newly elected school captain, Aditya Shetty, to welcome the audience.
Leadership is not a position or a title, it is action and an example. And it's never about the role, but always about the goal. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Aditya Shetty, the designate head boy of Presidency PU College, Bangalore, feel proud and privileged to extend a hearty welcome to one and all present here at this virtual platform to witness this very momentous occasion of Investiture Ceremony 2021-2022. The investiture ceremony is a solemn occasion where all the young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge their responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. It is an exceptional occasion of the school in which the cabinets distribute their responsibilities and duties and take an oath while keeping the rules and regulations of the school in mind. On this auspicious occasion, I feel immensely pleased to welcome the management of Presidency Group of Institutions, headed by the Chairman Mr. Nisar Ahmed, Ms. Kausar Ahmed, the Director of Purchase, Mr. Suhail Ahmed, Vice Chairman of Presidency Group of Institutions, Mr. Tanveer Ahmed and Ms. Nafisa Ahmed, Director of Presidency Group of Institutions, and Mr. Salman Ahmed, Vice President of Presidency University, and express our sincere gratitude to them for making this online platform available for conducting today's program. I cordially welcome Ms. Bhuvaneshwari, the Director of Presidency School Bangalore and Director Principal of Presidency School Bangalore South. I also take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Tangadurai, Director Principal of Presidency School Bangalore East, and Ms. Vijaya Tangadurai. A warm welcome to the Chief Guest of the day, Ms. Pratiksha Shetty. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. I thereby extend a cheerful welcome to Mr. Jaya Prakash, the Principal of Presidency School Nandini Layout, Ms. Asha Mikka, the Principal of Presidency School Bangalore North, Ms. Ruzan Rai Thomas, the Principal of St. Paul's School JP Nagar, and Ms. Sushma Upadhyaya, the Principal of RT Nagar. I extend my welcome to the members of the Curriculum Department, Ms. Aziza Essa, Ms. Rajeshwari, Ms. Saida Sabanur, Ms. Anna Philip, and Ms. Rajita. With all affable greetings, I cordially welcome the management representative, Mr. Javed, the head of the Mangalore project, Mr. Arun Devaraj, the faculty of Presidency Group of Institutions, parents, and students present today. We cherish your constant support, guidance, and encouragement towards aiming and achieving higher. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make a difference. Presidency School always endeavors to provide its students with an extra mile, making it so unique. As we, the members of the Student Council, take our oaths today, we believe that we are going to lead the path for the growth of ourselves and the school. As leaders, we will strive to conquer the peak of success and deem it our duty to make use of every opportunity to be the best in all what we do. Once again, I heartily welcome each and every one of you to this grand and significant occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya, for the warm welcome. A Sanskrit adage glorifies the great four of our lives: Mata, Pita, Guru, Daivam. Reiterating a great truth, it shows the order wherein they should be remembered. Since the beginning of this pandemic that has gripped our day-to-day lives, our students have continuously adapted to the rapidly changing situation. But the real heroes are the parents. It is with their constant support and continuous efforts we shine so bright. Today, the parents will honor our young leaders by pinning the badges and placing their sashes. Aditya Shetty, the school captain, is an aspiring leader who intends to ensure that all make optimum use of online classes and also thrives to bring about changes that would suit the online learning environment. He has always been a source of inspiration to all his fellow mates. He desires to bring about new reforms that would help in uninterrupted learning online. Mohammad Auf bin Ashraf, the school vice captain, aims at bringing about a change in various literary activities and also would ensure social distancing among the students once when back in school. He also has a vision of having indoor activities during the online sessions as the pandemic has put a stop to the outdoor activities. Mohammad Hani, the sports captain, looks forward to inculcating values, discipline, and harmony in the lives of all students. He himself is an enthusiastic sports person. He aspires to work with all determination and zeal by reorganizing and utilizing the abilities of all the talented ones to the fullest. At this time of pandemic, he wants to go an extra mile to battle, play, win, and create memories, not forgetting social distancing and safekeeping. Trivia Creda Vegas, the sports vice captain, is looking forward to encouraging young and budding sportsmen of our school and give them ample opportunities to build up their career in sports, maintaining social distance and adhere to follow it strictly. She believes hard work and practice to be the stepping stone to success in sports. Grishma Nair, the cultural secretary, a talented artist aiming at organizing special assemblies in an innovative manner and also wants to ensure every student exhibits his or her hidden talents, intends to work in collaboration and hard work. Janya Prasad Keti, Deputy Cultural Secretary, is well known for her organizational skills. She assures of providing a platform to all students to showcase their skills and talents and strive towards the betterment of cultural events regardless at the time of online class as well as in school. Her goal is not only to prosper in academics but also the cultural domain. The Blue House captain, Hassan Ali Shan, is a good motivator. He manifests motivation as the key aspect for the growth of his team. He assures of motivating his teammates and introduce them to various opportunities the school has laid down before them and also to prove to the world of their capabilities. He is known for his patience and good behavior. Naivilya, Blue House vice captain, has the ability to inspire and motivate her team at all levels. She is conscious and has determination to reach higher goals. She aims at abiding the decorum of the school and intends to encourage all the members of her team to take part actively in all the activities provided by the school. Mohammad Rihan, the greenhouse captain, is very confident and possesses a positive attitude. First and foremost, he aims at building up team coordination, as his motto being United we stand, but divided we fall. He looks forward to 10% participation of all the members of his group in all activities, be it cultural or co-curricular. Rukia Marzuka, the greenhouse vice captain, well known for her leadership qualities, dreams of excelling her team both in academics as well as co-curricular. She aspires to strengthen the competitive spirit among her group members. At this time of pandemic, she would like to educate her fellow mates with the importance of social distancing and personal hygiene. Anmol Arun, the Red House captain, assures of providing ample opportunities to all members of the team, abide by the rules of the school, maintain discipline, and focus on activities involving creative thinking and communication skills that cater to the personal growth of the students. Mariam Jamal, the Red House Vice Captain, a vibrant and passionate leader, wants to build up a good rapport with her teammates. Being a good guide to her fellow mates is what she is aiming at. Creative, innovative ideas and supporting her team to take up challenges is what her aim is. Siri H, the Yellow House Captain, confident, hardworking, and approachable. She considers safety as an important tool, especially during the pandemic. She has the ability to lead and guide to reach towards the goal. In addition to discharging her duties, she takes upon the responsibility to enhance the skills and abilities of her teammates. Vaishnavi K, the Yellow House Vice Captain, foresees to bring her team to the top position, discipline being the main aspect. She look into it and she considers discipline to be the main reason behind success. She would like to shoulder all the responsibilities of adhering by the rules and regulations of the school. She is confident and helpful to all her fellow mates. Here presenting the designated captains of the academic year 2021-22. The house captains and the vice house captains of the year 2021-22. It's not the oath that makes us believe the man, but the man the oath. May I now request the principal, Miss Shaila Saldana, to administer the oath for the school captains.
Aditya Shetty, ready for the oath.
Muhammad Hani, ready for the oath.
Trivia Vegas, ready for the oath.
Grishma Nair, ready for the oath.
Sonia Prasad, ready for the oath.
Oath position. We, the Student Council
We, the Student Council
of Presidency Pre-University College,
of Presidency Pre-University College,
Mangalore,
Mangalore,
do hereby
do hereby
solemnly promise
to
maintain discipline, lead in the right way, and uphold the honor and dignity of our college. We promise to discharge our duties loyally and impartially. So, help us God. Order.
Thank you, captains. The house captains will now take the oath.
Hassan Ali Shan, ready for the oath.
Naibilya, ready for the oath.
Mohammad Riyan, ready for the oath.
Rukia Mazuka, ready for the oath.
Anmol Arun, ready for the oath.
Mariam Jamal, ready for the oath.
Siri H, ready for the oath.
Vaishnavi K, ready for the oath.
Oath position. We, the Student Council
We, the Student Council
of Presidency Pre-University College,
of Presidency Pre-University College,
Mangalore,
Mangalore,
do hereby solemnly promise to maintain discipline, lead in the right way, and uphold the honor and dignity of our college. We promise to discharge our duties loyally and impartially. So, help us God. Order.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, house captains. The school choir will now lead us into the school anthem.
In one salutation to thee, O God, we raise our voices loud and clear, trusting in you to cause this through the toil and struggles of our lives. Bestow on us silent talent so fine, confer on us harmony so sharp, empower us with eloquence of speech, grant us the strength to face this life. In one salutation to thee, O God, we offer to thee our rights and wrongs. Guide us, direct us, empower us this day and always.
Thank you, choir. We have amidst us Meha Shetty, the alumni of Presidency School, to enlighten us on her talk on leadership.
Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. Remember, it's never about the role, but always about the goal.